Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am Sri Lakshmi, your English teacher. Children, today we are going to learn a simple and important grammar topic. Okay, so today we are going to learn about how to write a notice. Okay, see here, notice. So what is the notice? Why do we need this? Everything we will learn in this session. Okay, so children, what is a notice? Notice means if you go to school, we all have a notice board in the ground floor, right? So what do we see there? We can see many important things which are announced in the notice board. That is called a notice board. That means if you want to announce any important thing, okay, if you want to announce any important things, the notice board will be useful for that. Okay, and what is a notice? Notice means it is a short printed or handwritten article which one can observe or take a note of. Okay, that means if you for example, suppose in playground, if you find anything, that means any box or belt or books or something else which belongs to someone else. Okay, if you find anything, okay, then whether you don't know who it belongs to whom. Okay, so then what will you do? You want to announce that, right? That means if you want to announce which you have found, then you can give it in the notice board, right children? So for those things which we receive or which we found anywhere, or else if we want to announce anything important, that we can give through a notice, that we can say through a notice. Okay, so a notice, it should be written in neat, clear and bold writing. Okay, though, so there will be a format to give the notice. Okay, so it should be brief and to the point. That means it should be, it should not be elaborate. Okay, it should be very brief and clear cut points should be there. Okay, the person reading the notice should know exactly what you want, and it should be in a few sentences as possible. Okay, that means a notice should be in a brief form. Okay, brief session, brief format. Okay, and it should not be elaborated. Okay, in every school there is a notice board where the principals, teachers and even the students put up notices. Okay, so they should be written on a simple piece of paper. Okay, and neat piece of paper in bold writing. Okay children, so there is a format, to write the notice. Okay, so first it should be in square. It should be in a square. Okay, it should be in a square. Okay, and the school name should be in the top, middle top. Okay, school name in the capital letters. Okay, school name should be in the middle of the square, and school name should be in capital letters. Then what will come? You have to give the notice heading. Okay, notice, it is also in capital letter. After that, leave one line. Okay, and date should be written. In which format date should be written? Today, what is the date? First, right? First June. J should be capital. Okay, June, comma 2020. Okay, and later what will come? The body of the body of the notice. That means what you are going to tell, that should be come here. Okay, that should be come in brief lines. Okay, and one heading should be there. Okay, here in the middle one heading should be there. So after giving the brief expression, then your name should be, those who are giving the notice, their name should be in the left end. Okay, after that since we are studying in school, the class of the children, child who is giving the notice, then his class should be there. That means that is his designation, right? Designation. So his designation should be there. So this is the simple format of giving a notice. Okay, so for example, okay, if you are playing in the ground and if you have found one what do we say, one pencil box. Okay, suppose for example, if you are playing in a ground and if you find any pencil box, okay, then you don't know whether if you don't know whose pencil box is that. Okay, then what will you do? You will prepare a notice to give it into the notice board. Okay, so let us see how we will give. Vigyan Botri. School. Okay, Vigyan Botri School. Next what will come? Notice. Okay, then the date should come. You leave one line and after that the date. 1st June 2020, right? So then what you have found? You found a pencil box, right? So you have to give the heading, pencil box found. Okay, pencil box found. Next, the body will come here. Okay, in brief, you have to write in brief within 50 words. Okay, so I have found, I have found a, that means you are explaining how the box was. Okay, a Barbie pencil box. Okay, at the in the playground. Okay, in the playground. Okay, in the playground. Then you are explaining how the box was, because those who missed the box, they should easily recognize with your description. Okay, so it is pink. It is pink. It has 2 pencils. It has 2 pencils. Okay, pencils and 1 eraser. Okay, and a scale. Okay, and a scale. So the rightful owner, that means whosoever the box is. Okay, rightful owner can take box directly from me. Okay, from me. Okay, so after this you explain about what you have found. Okay, so you explain briefly within 50 words. Okay, so after that you will write your name there. Okay, so what is, suppose if your name is Priya. Okay, Priya, class 4. That's it. So this is how you should give a notice in the notice board. So all this notice should be in a square box. Since I have written on see, all this come in a square box. Okay, since I have written on the book, so I didn't give the box, but you should write it in a square box. Okay, everything till here. Okay, this is what a notice. But why we are writing? This is also, yesterday in the previous sessions we have learned about skills, right? Learning skills. Okay, that means LSRW. What are all the listening, speaking, reading and writing. So writing notice is also improves, is also a kind of writing skills. That means you can improve your writing skills by writing a notice. So this is one example for writing skills also. Okay, so these are all simply about writing skills. Okay, for example, I have lost my tiffin box in the playground near the swing. Okay, for example, it is red and blue in color with 2 containers. So a Tom and Jerry sticker is on it. If anyone finds it, please return it to me. So if you miss anything, okay, if you miss anything, then also you can give the thing in the notice board by writing like this. So there are many types of notices will be there which you can write. Okay, but the format will be the same. First, initially you will write the school name in capital letters. Okay, school name in capital letters. Then what will come? Notice in the middle of the square. This is all in the middle of the square. What will come after school name? Notice. Okay, after that date will leave a line and you have to write the date. In which format? Like this. First, and that means name, date should be in numerical form and month should be in letters. Okay, and again the year should be in numerical form. Okay, 1st June and 2020. So after that you will give an heading. Sorry, you will give a heading. Okay, so if you find anything, you will give the thing, whatever the thing you find, you will give that in the heading. That means, suppose for example, you should find any pencil box. Okay, then you will give that in the heading, pencil box found. Simply you can give. The notice should be always in brief form. Okay, so after that you will start writing. I have found a Barbie pencil box in the playground and it is pink color. Okay, it has 2 pencils, 1 eraser and a scale. The rightful owner can take the box directly from me. That's it. You have to finish it in below 50 words. Okay, and after that your name and designation. Since you are a student, what is your designation? It will be your class. Okay, so class will be there. Okay, so if anyone saw the notice board and they recognized that this pencil box is belongs to them, pencil box belongs to them, then they will come to you, and because since you have given the name and class there, then they will come to you and they will receive the pencil box. So it helps them a lot. So through notice you have done a good thing, right? This is also a kind of writing skills. Okay, children. So this is simply about notice, giving a notice. Okay, children. Let us see in another session we will learn about a message. Okay. Till then, bye bye.